Can you believe my client didn't want to do her underarms today, talking about, oh, they're not that bad? And I'm like, girl, we looking at the same underarm? Because these things is bad to me. Like, come on. Let me go ahead and just pull out my beautiful purple wax. Y'all already know Sexy Smooth Wax got that Purple Seduction. And I was like, let me just get it together for you real fast. Now, I promised myself I wasn't going to get no more of this wax. But the problem is, guys, they keep having these damn sales. Like, what is going on? Like, Jesus. Any size order, I'm like, nah, bruh. I can't do it. Like, the card already maxed out. I mean, the wax be waxing, obviously. Look at the strip. Like, you see that? You see the little carpet? And I'm like, why y'all can't wait for, like, Black Friday or Christmas? Why October? So, yes, I ain't gonna lie. I done placed another order. But in my defense, it's a great deal. We can't beat that. So, if you're an esthetician and if you've tried this wax out and you are not aware of them, which is amazing. So, yeah. We are just doing a cleanup right here. Her nails are gorgeous. I tried my best not to get wax on them bad boys. We're going to follow up with some Pretty Kitty and body oil. Click the link in my bio to get yours. Because you see these underarms, they get in there, baby. She exfoliating with my scrub and using my oil. So make sure y'all go get some and get you that wax.